If you'd like to make miniature foods, jams, figurines, or creations like these, it all starts with a good clay. Welcome back to Paper Noodles, and today I'll show you how I make my homemade cold porcelain clay. You'll only need a few simple ingredients that are easy to find and budget friendly. Let's get started. For this batch, I'm using half cup cornstarch, half cup baby glue, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon baby oil, and about half tablespoon acrylic paint. This exact recipe has worked well for me. One batch usually lasts me around a month of miniature making. One thing I learned after making several batches is that patience matters more than speed. A smooth texture now means smoother clay later. Filming and stirring at the same time was quite a challenge, so some parts are sped up here. You'll know it's ready when it starts pulling away from the sides and comes together into a single mass. This is probably the most important step. Kneading helps remove lumps and gives the clay a smoother texture. The clay will be quite hot at this stage, so you can wear gloves if you'd like, but don't wait too long before kneading. Warm clay is much easier to condition. After enough kneading, I like to do a simple teardrop test. A smooth stretch without rough cracks usually means the clay is ready. To keep the clay from drying out, I apply a thin layer of oil and wrap it tightly in a cling film. Then it goes into an airtight container for about 24 hours. This resting period helps improve the clay's texture and elasticity. After that, it's ready to be turned into anything your imagination can dream up. If stored properly in an airtight container, the clay can last quite a while without drying out. And that's how I make my cold porcelain clay. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you try this recipe, let me know how it turns out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.